there was a moment in time, I don't know if it was 2021, 2022, but insurance was increasing like 50% year over year. Explain to me, I guess, kind of why that happened, why it took off in 21 and where we are today.
Yeah. So 2 words for you. Hurricane Ian. The hurricane in Florida that hit the West Coast a few years ago sort of created a perfect storm, no pun intended, of circumstances that resulted in the insurance market really just drastically, changing in Florida. In many cases, clients couldn't even get insurance. What people forget is that insurance is cyclical, right? In the years before that, prices had sort of gone down. But, this has happened before. It happened after Hurricane Andrew. It happened after Hurricane Katrina, et cetera.
Yeah.
But what was super interesting about this is that it happened in a time where interest rates were high. All of a sudden you have insurance companies reevaluating their portfolios and reinsurers saying, hey, I can make however much, 4 or 5% risk free.
Yeah.
Why am I going to take all this risk, and insure these buildings in this place where we just got wiped out for 1% or whatever the rate was? And, as quickly as it went up, almost as quickly, it started to crest.
Come back down.
Right. So now you have insurance prices that for the last couple of years have dropped, maybe 20 or 30% last year, maybe another 20 or 30% or more this year.
Yeah.
I think that will continue because there haven't been that many storms. And then you're in this interest rate environment where interest rates are dropping. Yeah. So all of a sudden you can't make all this as much money risk free. So, you're focused now on your underwriting profit if you're an insurer, right? And you're just going to see, I think, a continued softening of the market